आता आम्ही प्रॉन्स समोसा करूया. प्रॉन्स चिली फ्रायची प्रॉन समोसा. सो हे पाती कशी करूंक जाय ते तुम्ही माझे पयले व्हिडिओचेर पळयात. नाव विल ॲड आर चिली फ्राय. पाती तुमकां जाय तशी तुम्ही करूं येता. आमचो ह्यो प्रॉन समोसा रेडी आसा. भाजपाक तो आतां आमी दुसरो तयार करुया. तेल गरम करुया. Then the oil is hot, so we'll add this. So here baspache samosa is ready. So prawn samosa is then ready to eat. So golden brown will fry it and our prawn samosa is ready. Okay. So like this only you can make many samosas if there is any occasion or some party, children's party or occasion, then you can make different types of samosa. And enjoy your children's party. Hope you all will enjoy this samosas and do let me know. So if prawn samosa will be flavor different, my veg samosa, that is aloo samosa, is also Goan aloo samosa is different. So every time it is different. I hope you all will enjoy this samosa and do let me know. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. ओके, आतां आमचें जालें. बेज आमकां करपाक नाका. सो मानता तुमकां आवडटलें. गॅस बंद करुया आनी काडया. थँक यू.